Welcome to Afro Flow Yoga. Afro Flow Yoga is a combination of dances of the African diaspora, yoga, and live healing instruments. It's also an opportunity to connect with your heart, your personal heart, and then also connect with others. So if you're feeling like you want a little bit of a heart connection, I invite you into a 5-minute practice that will help you feel more rooted, grounded, and heart-centered. I invite you to bring your feet about hip distance apart and lift your toes up, spread them wide, lift your heels, and begin to rock forward and back. One thing with the heart is sometimes we find a little judgment of ourselves and others. So this is an opportunity to practice non-judgment. So what we're doing here is we're just practicing balance. Balance is a practice. It's not a perfection. Begin to just root your feet down. And any judgments that may have come up, just let them go. Good. Take a moment to place one hand on your heart. Can you feel your heartbeat? You might not feel it yet, but after this practice, let's see what happens. Place one hand on your belly. Stay connected to your breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Follow the breath up into your chest, into your belly, and then exhale the belly, navel to your spine. Back through heart, out through nose or mouth. Give you more breaths on your own. You can close your eyes, soften your gaze, whatever feels good. That's it. So as we connect to the heart, we can begin to awaken. Right, just bring your arms up and take a soft bend in your knees. From here, lift your heart up toward the sky. Inhale, and then exhale, round your spine. Inhale, soften your knees, lift your heart up all the way to that beautiful light, that solar energy, and exhale, round your spine. Inhale, heart rises, and exhale, round your spine. And one more, inhale, heart rises, and exhale. Lift your arms up toward the sky, and then soften your knees and place your hands on your thighs. Now lift your heart up toward the sky. Inhale. Round your spine and gaze at your heart and roll up vertebrae by vertebrae. Chin's the very last thing to come up. Again, reach the arms up. Inhale. Heart rises up toward the sky. Look up. And then exhale. Bow to your heart. Beautiful. Inhale, reach up. Heart rises. And then exhale, bowing to your heart. Maybe setting a little intention. Inhale, and then exhale, and then bow to your heart. From here, bring your feet wide and bring your arms wide and open your heart and exhale. So like a giant eagle flying in the sky, feel that light and love entering into your heart. Whatever it is you want to call in your heart with breath, feel the pulsating undulations of your heart. Good. That's it. And then begin to just move and flow. That's it. Good. Beautiful. And then bring it down to the earth. And stay connected to the earth. And move and connect. Now begin to connect to your heart. Tap your heart. That's it. Good. And now from here, begin to send some beautiful love out into the room, out, thinking of sending it into all of your relationships. Beautiful. And out into the universe. Move. That's it. Good. And now bringing that energy all the way back, take a deep inhale and take your hands behind you. And then roll your shoulders around and draw your knuckles down. Lift your heart up and bow to your heart. And take 4 breaths. Open your heart. Inhale, exhale for 3, 2, and 1. And slowly release. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Now do you feel your heart beating? Feel that connection. And take a moment to practice gratitude. So think of one thing you're most grateful for in this moment. And as you breathe, as your heart is beating and your feet are rooted, imagine that gratitude radiating out of your pores, out into the room, all of your relationships, and then out into the universe. Ashe. Namaste.